What's up guys, Dante here with Overland ATL, and if you're following along on Instagram, you'll know that I got rid of the Rebel and I scooped up a Gladiator. I'm gonna do a quick walk around. We got the mods coming soon, and just getting you guys updated. Let's go. Alright, so for those that don't know or don't follow me on Instagram at Overland_ATL, I did scoop up a 2023 Gladiator Rubicon. Got this a few months ago. I already started modding, obviously. Super nice weather this week in Georgia, so took all the top and doors off. To start things out, went with a Ready Lift 4-inch suspension lift, and I opted to go with the upgraded Falcon 3.3s, the fast adjustable. These things are sick, super smooth. Rides better than factory for sure. So we got a 4-inch lift, the Falcon 3.3s. Tires are Cooper STT Pro 40 by 1350/17, and the wheels are a Fuel Ammo 17 by 9 -12 in this gunmetal color. Pretty sick. I haven't seen a ton of Jeeps with them, so I dig it. Few other things. I got the Line-X sprayed in the bed. Came out great. And then this Rubicon did not come with the trail rail, so I did make my own out of the Unistrut. Home Depot. I cut it, painted it, and it turned out pretty good. Got a rack coming soon and some other things, so stay tuned. One of the very first things I did was add the Bullet Point mounting solutions phone, tablet, and GoPro holder. Had this in the Ram and loved it, so got one for the Gladiator. It does have that Rubicon red dash, which looks sick with the white. So I'm just gonna stick with the red and white theme. And oh yeah, one more thing I did do was add the Jeep weather floor mats. So there you have it, guys. I think it looks awesome right here. I like the Ram, but kind of got sick of it, and the lack of aftermarket. It just wasn't there like the Jeep community is. This is my second Jeep, so I've been around the block already, but so far so good. Love it. Love the stance. Ready for a rack and a tent and all the goodies. So don't forget, I do have some Overland ATL stickers available. If you guys are sticker folks, let me know. I'll either trade you or I'll sell you one. Slap it on your cooler. These things look awesome with the topo. Let me know what you think. There you go, guys. 2023 Gladiator Rubicon, chilling on 40s. I'm loving it so far. Gas mileage is better, believe it or not, even on 40s. A little bit nimbler on the trail. I can fit through some tighter stuff now. I don't have to worry about scratching up the last truck. I'm ready to go camping. Georgia weather's getting nice. Follow along for some more adventures, guys. Appreciate you.